threats from non-state actors, including terrorism, insurgency, banditry, secessionist violence, and other forms of organized crime. These multifaceted threats underscore the urgent need for a comprehensive, multidimensional, and multidisciplinary approach. In response, the armed forces have fully embraced the whole of society approach, a framework that emphasizes synergy among the military, government institutions, and the people as a unified trinity in the fight against insecurity. The primary
second takeaway from what the general said, whole society approach is not the first time we are hearing. But what I'm saying, the way to do it is when we live here, those of us who have some influence, the elites in society, discuss with your communities, come to us, get some sort of approval and guidance, and then we can stop discrimination.
To make the states to also understand that we need to work together. Some of these states have gone to establish vigilante groups and all this without adequate training. The model we did in Maiduguri, where the communities were the ones who actually selected the youths. We gave the police and the civil and the DSS, they profiled them to ensure that they are not having any criminal record, they are not criminals. The military trained them, and we attached them to the military. So they were the ones giving information, be able to protect, give us early warning before the enemy comes. So that has saved the situation.